This is the resin that we're using for our solid phase peptide synthesis, and it has a pre-attached phenylalanine on it. We're going to weigh out 10 milligrams of the resin to start. Now we're putting the resin into a small vial for swelling. Now we're going to pipette in 1 milliliter of 1-methyl-2-pyrrolidone. This is our solvent for solid phase peptide synthesis. And we're using it to swell our beads. Now we're going to add a micro stir bar to our small vial containing the resin. And stir it for 30 minutes. These would be found in T2. Before we start, we're going to snap off the top to open up the column. And add the yellow removable cap. I want to make sure this one's on tight so you don't get any leaks. Alright, now we're going to add our swelled resin to the column using a pasture pipette. And we're letting the excess NMP drain out so that the resin stays into the column. Now we are going to deprotect the FMOC amino acid on the resin, and we are adding 80% N-methylpyrrolidone and 20% 4-methylpipridine. 1 milliliter is the quantity we're using. After adding our deprotection solution to the column, we're going to put the column on the vortexer for about 2.5 hours to end the deprotection step. To remove the coupling or deprotection solution from the column, we push the liquid through the column using nitrogen gas. To purify the resin, 1 milliliter of NMP is pushed through the column using nitrogen gas. This procedure is repeated 4 times total. Following the NMP wash, a second wash is performed using dichloromethane. The same procedure is used using dichloromethane. 1 milliliter of dichloromethane is added to the column and then pushed out using nitrogen gas. This again is repeated 4 times. Based off the equivalence of the resin, we are adding the coupling reaction solution with FMOC alanine and HBTU. We're separately agitating both after adding to a small vial. And then we will add the DIEA. All these measurements are based off of the equivalence of the resin. Before adding DIEA, we are agitating the HBTU and FMOC alanine. After adding DIEA, we're vortexing it again to agitate the solution before adding it to the column. Now we are adding the coupling solution reactions to the column.